When can I report workplace harassment? Breaking news for employees everywhere. The question on many minds right now is, when can I report workplace harassment? With recent headlines highlighting workplace issues, it is crucial to know your rights. If you feel you are experiencing harassment, you can report it immediately. The first step is usually to follow your employer's workplace harassment policy. This policy often requires you to report the issue to your employer or a designated person. It is essential to review your organization's specific procedures for reporting and investigating harassment complaints. If informal attempts to address the behavior do not resolve the problem, you can file a formal complaint. Employers typically provide various reporting options. These can range from informal discussions seeking advice to formal complaints that trigger a full investigation. Remember, supervisors have a duty to act if they notice signs of harassment. They must report such behavior to the employer if informal measures do not stop it. When you decide to report, documenting the incidents in detail is helpful. Record dates, times, places, exact words, actions, and any witnesses. Keeping records of offensive materials, whether printed or online, can also support your case. If it feels safe and appropriate, you may communicate directly to the harasser that the behavior is unwelcome and must stop. Confidentiality is generally maintained during investigations. Employers are required to keep the identities of the complainant and alleged harasser confidential unless disclosure is necessary for the investigation or required by law. In some areas, additional legal remedies may be available. For example, you can file 4 restraining orders related to harassment. However, these are typically pursued after internal reporting and if the harassment continues or escalates. Overall, it is important to report workplace harassment promptly. This allows your employer to take appropriate action to address and stop the behavior. Knowing when and how to report can make a significant difference in your workplace experience.